Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, I'm going to show y'all a cool little app that I found, and it's called Quit All. And it's all coming up next. So in today's episode, I wanted to show you all this cool little app that I found called Quit All. And you might ask, what is Quit All? Well, Quit All is a cool little app that closes out all of your applications with just a click of the button. And so you might ask, why would I want to do such a thing? Well, you might want to do that. Let's say, for instance, in my case, what I do is every morning when I go to work, I shut down my computer. Mainly because we have a power grid issue in this area and the power goes on and off, on and off, on and off. So I wind up just shutting my computer off so I don't have to worry about it. So I typically have an issue when I shut down my computer. It just takes a while. So what I like to do is I like to quit all my applications so I don't have any reason to hang and then shut down my computer. And so this app is, it's really kind of useful. Now, granted, I could have set up a terminal that would have done the same thing and just put it down here in my task bar down here and just click on it when I want to shut it down. But I thought this application was pretty cool. It also could shut down individual apps as well and not just all apps at once. It can just shut down each individual one. So let's get right to it. So if you look over here at the top here, I have Quit All right here, and it looks like a little Q with a lightning bolt as part of the tail of the Q, right? So if you click on that, it'll take you to this. And what this is it shows all of my current apps that are running, okay? Now, these ain't background apps. These are just my current apps that I'm running. But what I can do is I can shut them down individually right here, or I can just hit Quit All and it shuts them all down. Now, the only problem that I have found with this is that Spark, if the email has not been uploaded to the server and it hasn't synced, basically, Spark might take a few seconds to shut down. It does that even when I shut down Spark manually. It'll take a few seconds for it to shut down, but it will eventually shut down. But all these other ones will just quit almost immediately. It's just pretty cool like that. I like it anyways. Now also over here in the section here, you have view background apps. Now if you wanted to, there's a lot of background apps you could shut off individually or quit all of everything, pretty much everything that's running, and whether it's a app or whether it's its helper software, for lack of a better term, that's running in the background. Okay. Now, I typically don't do that. I typically just leave it on this right here because this is, once I close all these out, then I shut down my computer. Is great. Now, sometimes you might not want to shut down your computer, but maybe you want to quit these apps pretty quickly. You can just hit Quit All and it quits every one of them. Now, let's say I want to just quit one. I can just click on that right there, and it just shuts it down like that. Pretty quick, huh? Or if I wanted to shut them all down, I would just hit Quit All, and voila, there they all go. Even Spark went. So that's all it is to it. It's a pretty cool app. I think it's like $5 or something like that. I can't remember. It's not really that expensive, but I thought it was a pretty cool app. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this episode, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button down below, and if you want to see more of these videos in the future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care.